Hey dolls and gents, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna come and show you the stylus that I purchased from Amazon. Now this stylus set I purchased with my own money. It wasn't sent to me for review. I just thought I would show you guys in case you're like a long nail diva or a nail diva and you need to have a stylus. Now I purchased them because every time I get styluses they don't work. Maybe it's because I have tempered glass on my phone. I don't know what it is, but the styluses from the Dollar Tree and Walmart and all, they don't work. And then I'm rubbing it so hard that I look down and I done completely rubbed the rubber off. So I decided to try this. Now it was $14.99 for two, so I take that as $7.50 a piece, free shipping with Amazon Prime. And they had different colors, but you do get a black one. And I'm gonna leave one at work and one in my purse. This is what it looks like. And I think the difference with this one is the tip. The tip looks like a microphone. Can y'all see that? It looks like a microphone. It's not rough like a microphone, but it's etched out like a microphone. Maybe, just maybe, that's what helps this to push the buttons on the phone a little bit better. I use it more for my iPad than for my phone. The reason why I'm going to keep one in my purse at work for my phone is because I work in customer service, cashiering and stuff. People walk up to the counter. You don't want them to see you up there on your phone like this. I can lay my phone down on the desk and do this, and if someone walks up, I can just lay my pen down, take care of them, and they don't have to actually see that I'm on the phone. Also, you get, these are the, it's going to be kind of hard to tell, larger tips. I'll do it like that. And then you get two smaller tips, two interchangeable tips, just in case, you know, it wears out. If it wears out or if it stops going, and you just screw it off and put the other ones on. So I've only been using it for about a day or two. I wanted to put it back in the box so I can do a video and show you guys. I will try to leave the link down below. I was confused. You also get these tips, and I didn't know what those were, but I'll show you guys what they were. And I haven't tried that yet, but I think I am gonna try it. There is a disc tip and there is a fiber tip. So this is the disc tip. And I do want to try it using the disc tip to see if I get better of a grip on punching the keys. So I am going to switch it to the disc tip and see, or you can use the fiber tips that they send you. I've never seen a stylus with a flat tip like that. Let's see if I can focus it for you guys. I think that's about as good as it's going to focus. It has a fiber tip or a disc tip. It has an aluminum barrel, a protective cap. Everything is replaceable, I guess, through this company. The stylus is ready to use. You don't need to set it up. You just use it on your touch screen. It says don't remove the clear plastic disc or the tip won't work. So let me see if I can get one of these out of here. It's not gonna let me be great for y'all. I can probably use this and get it out. Okay, there we go. It's tiny. Here is the disc tip. There's a disc tip. And you just screw it into the stylus and then you use it to do the phone. So it is really, really tiny. There's two small ones and two big ones. So if you're comfortable using the disc, I'm going to test out the disc one too. So before I upload this video, I'm going to test out the disc one as well. And so in the beauty bar down below, I'll let you guys know whether I liked the flat tip or the fiber tip. So far, I do like the fiber tip, but I'll let you guys know how I felt about both and maybe which one I liked the most. But other than that, we're going to test it out. We're going to see what it's like. $14.99, Amazon Prime by this company. I guess if I don't like it or anything happens to it, I can always return it, you know, via Amazon. It works for Kindle, Kindle Fire, iPad, Galaxy Tab, Nexus. It works for iPhones, Nexus phones, 1X, HTC, ZTE, all tablets and smartphones. Yeah, that's everything that it says on the back there. High sensitivity stylus. So far, I like it. But if you guys have a problem with other styluses and using them on your screens, you may want to check this out. You can also buy just one. You don't have to buy two. I saw them on Amazon. Just check that out. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.